Hello everyone, welcome to Iris Creation Limited, your go-to channel for creative design tips and tutorials. I am excited to show you how to create a professional and eye-catchy trifold brochure using Canva, a free and easy-to-use design tool. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process to ensure your brochure not only looks amazing but also effectively communicates your messages. By the end of this video, you will have to the skill design brochures that stand out and captivate your audience. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our future design tutorials. Now, let's jump into the Canva and get started. After create a page for a trifold brochure, go to the element and let's search for a hexagon shape. Let's take this shape and adjust it on the right corner of the page like this. Now again, let's take this hexagon shape and adjust it like previously. Make it behind the previous frame. And now from the element, let's take this rectangle shape, adjust it under the bottom corner of the page. Now change the color of the behind shape in red. Copy the rectangle shape or increase the size of the rectangle shape. Go to the element and search for a picture for the frame. Let's take this picture, adjust it with the frame. Now go to the edit and give it a effect. Go to the filters and give it a black and white effect. And now again go to the adjust and keep the brightness a little bit high. Now go to the element and take this shape and adjust it here and change the color in red. Take a text box and type house for sale. Make it uppercase and change the font style and keep the line spacing in 1. Adjust it here and change the color in white. Now take a text box, paste the dummy text. Now go to the element and let's search for a real estate logo. Let's take this home logo, change the color in red, make it smaller and adjust it right there. Take a text box, change the color in black. Change the company name, type the company name and adjust it under the logo. Adjust the logo and the name together. Take a text box and type get in touch. This is a back page where the contact details Now from the element, let's take this line and adjust it under the get in touch. Make it a center. And from the element, let's take this phone icon. Change the color in red. Again from the element, let's take this email icon. Again, let's search location icon. Take a text box, type the phone number, email number and the location. Now from the element, let's search a box border. Take this border, change the color in red. Adjust it all over the half page and make it behind. From the element, let's search a QR code. Change the color in white and take a shape. Change the color of the shape in white and change the QR code color in black. Give it a border in red. Take a text box and type the scan for more. Copy the frame and adjust it on the left corner of the page. Copy the shape too. Adjust it like this. Take a text box, type the about our company. Adjust the line under the company details. Paste the dummy text. Here it is, the front page of the brochure. Now let's jump into the back page of the brochure. After this, copy the shape Now let's adjust the back page one by one. If you need this kind of more tutorials or any other custom design need you have, like a flyer design, brochure design, social media post, presentation design, you can contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Ines Creation Limited.